Welcome to the installation video for the Vanity Appliance storage rack. Before we begin, you will need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a bubble level, a tape measure, a 3/8 inch wrench, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a wood frame, silver bins, number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws, and an instruction sheet. First, take your 3/8 inch wrench and loosen the top 2 lock nuts. On the back of the unit, use your number 2 Phillips screwdriver to loosen the bottom 2 screws. Extend the bracket holes beyond the edges of the wood frame and secure in place. Ensure the unit will fit inside the cabinet, even when stocked with your vanity items. To find the minimum height requirement for a 15-inch face frame cabinet, measure 4 3/4 inches up from the bottom of the door to the center hole location in the lower bracket. Position the wood frame against the inside of the door and mark the screw locations with your pencil. Use your bubble level to ensure the unit is level. It is recommended that you add a piece of tape to your 3/32 inch bit and use it as a guide to help prevent you from drilling all the way through the cabinet door. Pre-drill the 4 hole locations. Attach the rear bracket to the back of the cabinet using the 4 provided number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Add silver bins. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.